Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about cogeneration. First of all, we will discuss about what is meant by cogeneration. Cogeneration. It's a true word. Generation of power and heat from a single fuel source. That is called cogeneration. Here, now the example for 100% of fuel is burned. You can get the power output and some of the losses. Some losses are defined flue gas losses, power output. The overall the efficiency is greater than of 75%. The power at lost cost and fuel saving and quality power at all times. Types of cogeneration. Here the power and steam balance, it is based on the power based and steam based, heat based. One must decide the basic of cogeneration plant, power based and steam based. Cogenerations are combined heat power, that means called as CHP, sequential generation of two different forms of useful energy using a single primary energy source. Most useful electrical or mechanical, thermal or heating or cooling. Why it is needed for cogeneration? Thermal power plants are major source of electricity supplied in India. The conventional method of power generation and supply to the customer is wasteful in the sense of about third of the primary energy fed into the power plant is actually made available to the user in the form of electricity. Next one is the conventional power plant efficiency is only 35% and remaining the 65% of energy is lost. The another one major point lost in the conversion process is the heat rejected to the surrounding water or air due to the inherent constraints of the different thermodynamic cycle employed in power generation. It is used to improve the energy efficiency and also reduce use of fossil fuel. Now, the another one to reduce the emission of carbon dioxide. Cogeneration system cycle. There are two types of cogeneration system cycle. First one topping cycle, second one bottoming cycle. The topping cycle cogeneration system can be classified as either a topping or a bottoming cycle on the basis of the sequence of energy use. In topping cycle, the fuel supplied is used to first produce power and then thermal energy, which is by byproduct of the cycle and is used to satisfy process heat or other thermal requirements. In bottoming cycle, the primary fuel produce high temperature thermal energy and the heat rejected from the process is used to generate power through a recovery boiler and a turbine generator. Example of topping cycle, water desalination. The another one example, district heating. The another one, sugar industries. These all are the example of topping cycle. Next, bottoming cycle examples, cement industries, steel industries, the another one ceramic and gas industries. Types of Topping cycle. A gas turbine or diesel engine producing electrical or mechanical power followed by a heat recovery boiler to create steam to drive a secondary steam turbine. This is called a combined cycle topping system. The second type of system burns fuel to produce high pressure steam that then passes through a steam turbine to produce power with the exhaust provides low pressure process steam. This is a steam turbine topping system. The third type employs heat recovery from an engine exhaust flowing to a heat recovery boiler where it is converted to process steam or hot water for further use. The fourth type is a gas turbine topping system. A natural gas turbine drives a generator. The exhaust gas goes to the heat recovery boiler that makes process steam and bottoming cycle. Bottoming cycles are suitable for manufacturing process that require heat at high temperature in furnace and kilns and reject heat at significantly high temperature. The another one important point is bottoming cycle plants are much less common than topping cycle plants. Cogeneration is likely to be most attractive under the following circumstances. The demand for both steam and power is balanced, that is consistent with the range of steam power output ratio that can be obtained from a suitable cogeneration plant. The second one, a single plant or group of plants has sufficient demand for steam and power to permit economies of scale to be achieved. Peaks and through the in demand can be managed, or the case of electricity, adequate backup supplies can be obtained from the utility company.